Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I'm with another quick tutorial. How to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Note 9 phone. Now, let's start. Press the volume up button, Bixby button, and the power button simultaneously. Once you are in recovery mode, at first, select the Wipe Cache partition by using the volume key and power button. Then, choose Yes options. After that, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now, choose Factory Data Reset. After completing the process, reboot your phone. Now, it will take few minutes to settings up few more things. Once the process completed, immediately it will show a quick setup menu. Then, your phone is ready to use. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.